Thank you, Molly. The owner of a North Smithfield dog spa is facing multiple charges tonight, including felony cruelty to animals.
John Frias was taken into custody at his business, the Doggy Styles Pet Spa, yesterday.
Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Carter is live in studio with the other charges he's facing and what sparked this investigation in the first place. Courtney?
Police say John Frias pretended to be a vet. In court paperwork I obtained today claims he cared for some pets without a license to practice. Police say the owner of this pet spa, Doggy Styles, faces a long list of charges. John Frias faces 4 counts of felony cruelty to animals, 5 counts of unlicensed practice of veterinary medicine, 4 counts of care for dogs, 1 count of obstructing a police officer, and 1 count of simple assault. According to the Rhode Island SPCA, Frias was arrested Wednesday. We called and went by the business in person Thursday, but no one answered. Now, this is after an investigation by the SPCA that initially began with the report of a stolen French bulldog. According to an affidavit, the dog's owner says she initially went to Frias for help with her dog's pregnancy, claiming he told her, "I'm a veterinary nurse."
Diagnosing and attempting to treat these animals, which is another violation dealing with the practice of veterinary medicine.
The dog's owner claims Frias wouldn't give the dog back. The paperwork goes on to say he told her that her dog gave birth and he was going to treat some of her puppies that were sick.
These 4 puppies, there were actually 9 in the litter. 5 died during birth, 4 survived but subsequently died.
The SPCA says Frias was diagnosing them and treating the puppies himself, asking the owner to bring in vanilla yogurt and cottage cheese to help their stomachs. She then reached out to the police and the SPCA for help, leaving Frias to now face years of possible jail time. The SPCA says the Division of Agriculture is now also investigating violations with his business. He was released on $5,000 bail and was ordered not to have custody or control of any animals. I'm Courtney Carter, Eyewitness News.